Hey gang, let's talk about sharing and storage. Hopefully you guys are having a really good day. And here we are. So traditional storage. We got a couple different types, right? So we got direct storage. And direct storage, simply put, is the storage that's directly inside of your device, right? Whether it's a PC, whether it is a laptop, cell phone, whatever is directly inside your device that's storing all of your information is going to be your direct storage. Now, external storage is simply just an external hard drive. So instead of being inside your device, it's outside of your device. And you can save information and data to either one. Last but not least is network attached storage or network storage. So this type of storage is a server, file server, a computer that's on the actual network that's specifically used for saving stuff to, right? So you can actually save stuff to this network attached storage, and you can actually retrieve stuff from off of it, right? So everybody that would be attached inside this network will be able to save stuff onto this storage device, hard drive, file server, or take stuff off of it, all right, depending on their permissions. All right, as long as you got permissions to put stuff on there and take stuff off, you would be able to, all right? Not that big of a deal, not too hard to understand. Next up, cloud-based storage. Now, this may be something that's kind of, you've heard the terminology, but you didn't really understand what the hell, like saving it to the cloud, what does that actually mean? How do I do that? Where is it at? So long story short, a cloud server or cloud storage just means that there's a server, there's a computer, there's a hard drive somewhere, located somewhere that you have access to, okay? So cloud-based storage, once again, is just a server somewhere that you have access to. As long as you got internet connection, you have access to it. Let me give you an example. So let's say Dropbox, Google Drive, iCloud, any of these cloud services, right? Let's say that Google's servers, cloud storage is located centrally in Silicon Valley, right? It's in Silicon Valley. That is where their cloud storage is based. Just remember, not in the cloud. It's not something that you can't touch. It's a physical server somewhere, right, with information that can be put on top of it. Now, since Google has a huge network, you can connect to that network, thus you can save stuff onto that Google Drive. Makes sense? So long story short, the advantages, the purpose of a Google Drive or cloud-based storage in general, no matter who the vendor is you having access to files and information, videos, whatever you want to save, as long as you have an internet connection. As long as you have an internet connection, you can actually pull stuff from this cloud-based storage or put stuff on it. Make sense? Great. All right, gang, last but not least, I want to talk about file and print sharing, but most importantly, the difference between a home group and a work group. All right, so a home group pretty much makes things easy on your home network. It makes it easy for everybody on your home network to share stuff, save stuff, and communicate back and forth and move stuff to and from on a network. All right. Usually a home group is protected with a password, but the only thing is you only need one password to get access. Make sense? All right, so a work group. So home group, use it at your house, bam, pretty simple. Then a work group is it's a peer-to-peer network, right? So in a peer-to-peer network, everybody is peers. Everybody is the same. Everybody can do what everybody else can do. Everybody is connected and interconnected with everyone else. So in a work group, everybody has their own user account, and you have to have a user account to actually log on to and get connected to the work group. Make sense? All right, gang, so we got one more thing to do after this, and the IT Fundamentals YouTube online course is going to be complete. All right, so I'm just going to give you guys, for the last time, I'll give you guys a walkthrough of operating system and show you a couple of the functions of it. Just remember, if you need any kind of IT training, head over to itmasterkey.com, and we'll love to have you. So we got A+, Net+, Security+, whatever you need, project management, interview, resume writing, whatever you need, we got something for you. All right, have a great day.